Okay, now we will see about locomotor activity in rats. How we are going to perform locomotor activity in rats using the software Optovarimex 4, that is actophotometer. So this is called as, in short, SLA, spontaneous locomotor activity. So in left figure, this is the apparatus, that is actophotometer, for recording locomotor activity. This cage, it is made up of, it's not glass but some kind of glassy material, and inside that you need to keep your animal. And in the second image it shows how your monitor is going to display. I don't know, you will not be able to see this in detail, but okay, I will tell what this thing is in after some time. So the application of spontaneous locomotor activity is to assess CNS depressant drugs like barbiturates and alcohol, which reduces the motor activity, and some drugs like CNS stimulant drugs like caffeine and amphetamine, which increases the CNS activity. So in simple words, the locomotor activity is the index of wakefulness or alertness of the mental activity. So if you are not in this, actually software is used in case of animals like rat, mice. So we can say that if the animal is alert, or its mental activity is properly functioning, then it will move around this cage. So the principle behind this technique is photoelectric cells which are connected in circuit with the counter. So, okay, in this chamber all photoelectric cells are on the side walls of the cage. Then what happens, this is actually shown in rectangular form, but it can be in the circular form depending on this instrument. And the principle is, when uh, the beam of light falling on the photocell, it is in continuous manner, but once animal moves, then that beam of light will be cut off by the animal, and one cut off will be counted as 1 or recorded as 1, right? So uh, if we see in software perspective, before going to the actual experiment, we need to do some things, some settings in the software. So it may vary as per your software, but this is general protocol. So you need to make a separate folder on the desktop first of all. Then you need to open the software, that is Optovarimex 4. Then go to tools, then go to system setup, and then click on loading configuration, and then select COM3 for 6 cages. It would be like COM1 for different number of cages, but generally it would be for 6 cages. Then save these configurations, then select x 6x cages option, that is XY option, and then open, and that uh, click on scan. So it will scan all the cages, 6 cages. uh, then open experiment setup and fill the information. So that is what the information is displaying in the second figure. That is, first one is experimental file name, so that you can uh, take from the desktop. Then second one is experiment duration, so this test is performed for the 10 minutes. And then cages, 6 number of cages are there. Comment, you can comment it like uh, a number of cages or number of animals groups as per your convenience, right? After all the settings are done in the software, then you need to keep the animal in this cage. Before that, you need to clean the cage with either 70% isopropyl alcohol or soap solution, and then put the animal in each cage. Then click start, then open setup and multiple cage monitoring, click on that. So you will be seeing all cages and animal movement in the on the screen. So at last, once uh, for this is for 5 minutes, right? Once this experiment is finished, then automatically it will show that experiment is over, and then you need to save the results by manually taking screenshot from it, and then copy and paste that screenshot in the word file, right? So in this way you will be recording your uh, spontaneous locomotor activity. In the next session I will tell you how the results will be displayed, or how that we should convert it into a proper format so that we can represent it graphically.